guys, it's Bethany and
her little sister Gracie.
Today we're going to be doing a fidget spinner challenge. So the way this challenge works is you get a fidget spinner each, and you keep on you spin it once, and whoever stops like that, like still spinning a little bit, loses.
Yeah, this is what it looks like when it's spinning.
And then when it stops,
like that. See it? So like that.
Yep.
We lose.
So, let's get round one started.
Yeah.
So we have four different colours.
Yeah.
Well, four different fidget spinners.
Yeah.
I have this black one, this red one, this white one, and this black light up one.
My first one is a yellow one. My second one is a light up a blue one. And my third one is just a regular blue. And my fourth one is just a regular.
Yes. This one's broken. So I don't know how we're gonna get through with this. Kind of works still, but as you can see, it's stopping already.
It only spins for about 10 seconds.
Got my pet bird over here. I'll show you.
Both of us. Basically sisters. Because we're basically sisters. So both of us.
Rosie. So that's Rosie.
Whee!
She's our bird. Oh, she's already spinning. Okay, so round one. Grab your first ever fidget spinner. And 3, 2, 1, spin.
This one might take a long time.
Yours is already stopping.
I know. Maybe because I didn't spin it really fast. Yours is stopping. Oi, you know how to do that?
What? What? Mine's broken. Okay, guys, we'll start round one again. I'm just trying to fix mine.
How's it broken?
It's stuck.
This is what it looks like when it's going really fast.
Right, you could do as many spins as you want, but
Yeah,
when it gets up to 4 spins, stop.
Alright.
Okay, 2, 1.
Both starting to stop.
I only have 3. Right, we can have 10 spins, okay?
Yeah.
Yeah? No?
We're just doing this YouTube video. Do it after. We're ready for school. We're doing this video on school day. Oi.
Sorry. Stop mine and all.
Okay, I've already had my 10 spins.
I haven't. I've only got 5 left.
How many did you just do then?
Oh, 2.
Okay. Mine is slowing down.
Oops.
I lost.
I win.
So this one goes in the loser side.
This one goes in there.
Okay, the ones that win go in the winner side. The ones that don't win go in the loser side.
Next round, my red fidget spinner.
Next round, my light up fidget spinner.
3, 2, 1. Yours stops easily. Yeah. How many spins have you had?
5.
You had 7.
Say I've got 3 more.
You lose. You stopped it.
Yeah, I just stopped it.
Yeah, but that makes you lose.
Fine.
Okay, guys, she lost.
Okay,
She stopped it.
my blue one this time.
My white one. This is
3,
fave.
3, 2, 1, go! Mine's going faster.
No, it's not. Oi! When it's going, you can't make it go faster than mine, Grace.
I think you've got catch by soon.
I am. How many spins have you had? 8.
2 more spins.
Grace.
I can't have any more spins.
Pam?
No, I've already had my 10.
Oh, you. I've still got 5 more. Look at mine compared to yours. Mine's going fast on there. Can you see? Hang on a minute. That was like going like that. Sorry, I'm just showing. That was going like that, and then it's just going like that. Yeah?
You just stopped it.
Okay.
It's going like an eagle.
No. Stopping it. So she lost.
Next one. Okay, 3,
Oh, wait.
2, 1. Wait. So 3, 4,
Gracie.
5,
Gracie.
6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Oh, Charlotte's still coming.
No, because it's Friday.
Oh, yeah.
Yesterday was Thursday.
You lost.
I know.
Okay, guys.
Now shall we have a guess with all of our fidget spinners and which one stops first?
No. Okay. Okay, guys. Wow. Let's Okay, guys. We're gonna do our lunch box ready for school. So I have my Sniggles on.
Bee Gees and How Deep Is Your Love. Michael Jackson and Ed Sheeran coming up with a double baby hit. Latest track reviews on the way for
I have this like passion fruit thingy. It's amazing.
in about 20 minutes if you're just joining.
Ow.
The honesty of
Put myself in eye.
because they tell the truth, don't they? And about 30% of kids who are asked about what their parents wear said, yeah, what's the difference of mum and dad
Where's Sugar?
to go back in
I don't know.
change their
See
clothes?
if it's outside.
Okay, guys. Excuse me. What are
I need
these?
a yogurt.
What are these? Seal bars. Okay, let's have a look what these are.
They're not really nice. I like.
Okay,
I like these. That yummy is only Kit Kat. It's called chocolate bar, but it tastes like a Kit Kat.
okay, no. Let's get this yogurt.
Now I'm just smiling.
Yeah, this one. Okay.
Hey guys, I'm Rosie. You must have seen our other YouTube channel. Gracie Rose. Whoa!
So that's 2 yogurts. Okay, let's
Okay. Bye, YouTube.
No!
I call it YouTube.
No, we're not going.
Oh, when we're going yet? Oh, are we making the video until we get to my school?
No. Oops, then I can't post. Okay, guys. Got my coat.
Becca, I promise Sophie that we'll put in together because she really wants to see one of these. Okay?
Hey guys, I'll be taking my black fidget. Okay guys, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe. Bye everybody, have a good day.